Hey guys, I'm going to do a packing video for a capsule wardrobe that I saw on the blog Classy Yet Trendy. I'll link the site down in the description. I'm going to pack in my new backpack that my bestie told me about. Check out our channel, it's Sarah and Sarah. I'll link it in the description. It's a carry-on backpack. The straps, then it has you can hide away the straps and attach it to your luggage. I'm going to do the 5-day capsule wardrobe from the blog. I'll link it down below. So for the capsule wardrobe, it said to bring 3 tees, 2 layers, 3 pants, and then you can bring pajamas or whatever else you need. And if you're going somewhere warm, you can swap out the layers for shirts. And also bringing 2 pairs of shoes. I'm bringing 3 tees, 2 short sleeve and 1 long sleeve, 2 undershirts, 3 pairs of pants, black pants, leggings and jeggings, 2 hoodies, pajamas, a towel, a surge protector, vitamins and meds, flip-flops, pillowcase, masks, makeup bag, fanny pack, headbands, chargers, hair towel, tripods, carbon monoxide detector, and toiletry bag. And of course my sneakers. The backpack is called Novan, and these are the it's 44 liter backpack. It's 20.5 by 13 by 8 by 9.8 inches, and it weighs 3 pounds. I'll link it down in the description. These are my clothes that I left out. I left out a hoodie, a long sleeve tee, an undershirt, and leggings, and my fanny pack, because that's what I'm gonna wear. All packed up and ready to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new video uploads.